Hello lovies, it's me Shanice and welcome back to my channel where we talk about beauty and all things bougie. It's time for another video. Yes, hey, another video time, hey. Alright lovies, I am just so excited to do this video. Today's video will be my very first unboxing on this channel, and I will be unboxing a Louis Vuitton item. I'm so excited to be bringing this to you guys and for us to be doing this together. I'm just itching with excitement. I definitely don't want to take too long in the intro, but of course I want to say hello to all of my brand new lovey subbies. Hey to all of my OG Rider lovey subbies, and of course if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. And also don't forget to share. I would love to have you a part of my lovey-dovey family, and you know, it's all happy and good vibes around here, okay girl? So welcome to the family. I'm just gonna welcome you in advance. Anyway, I am so excited, so let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. This UPS box here, and it is housing the piece that I recently received in the mail this week. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, which if you don't, you definitely need to follow me on Instagram and on Twitter, okay girl? But I posted in my story last week some of my wish list bags, and this is honestly one of my wish list items. This bag is definitely something that is very hard to get your hands on. It is never seemingly available online. I know because I stalked the website, but I will say if you are interested in Louis Vuitton, get involved in some of the Louis Vuitton groups on Facebook, because that is how I was able to get this item. One of the girls that I'm in the Facebook with, she hooked me up with her SA, who hit her up saying that she had this bag. And if you don't know what SA is, it's a sales associate. She posted on the group and saying that her sales associate had one, she had already purchased one, and I just kind of, you know, quietly DM'd her and said, can I have your sales associate's number? And anyway, she shot me her number, and I was able to purchase the bag the same day. So I'm very excited. After the week that I had last week at work, it was just very stressful. It was very stressful, very draining, and I just really felt like I needed to reward myself and do something kind for myself. So my wish list bag was it. All right, lovies, so without further ado, let's go ahead and open the box. Alright lovies, so here is what was inside the box. This did come directly from a Louis Vuitton boutique at Bloomingdale's. So you will of course get your box. It should come wrapped in the blue ribbon, though I do know that with COVID-19 they have been saying that some stores are not doing the blue ribbon just to cut down on contact. So that's just something to keep in mind. And here is my receipt as well as my sales associate's card. Inside we have our dust bag. I'm wondering if you guys follow me on Instagram or if you just know the community, if you can guess what this is. But without further ado, here is the bag. Yes, it is a mini pochette accessoire. And if you know me, this has been on my wish list for a very long time. These things are so hard to come by. I mean, you rarely see them available, and they resell for about double the price that you can get them for in the store. So if you're trying to get it on the pre-loved market, you're probably going to be paying way over retail, which is why I thought it was a great idea to go ahead and purchase this item brand new, because it's a great investment. And if I decide to sell it, if I decide I don't like it, I'll be making my money back plus some more. This is what the bag looks like. It is a monogram, and spoiler alert, I have already inspected the bag for defects, and there are no defects that I could find. But it is a monogram. So you have your classic LVs on here with your flower. This is the stamp on it right here. It is made in Paris, okay? And then it does come with your chain attached, okay? Now this chain is detachable, so it does push in on the side, and you can clip it to this D-ring here if you choose. You can clip it to a bag. I have seen people clip it to their clothing, but as far as me and how I'll be wearing it, I will definitely be carrying it just like this, okay? When you open it up, this is what it looks like on the inside. So it is just a mini pouch. It's just a mini pouch there. That's what it looks like on the inside there. And your date code is located on the inside here. I don't know if you can see that, but that is where it is located. And this is a 2020 model, so I'm very, very excited about that. Like I said, I think it was a great investment because I can definitely sell it for more than retail price and make my money back. But this is one of the less expensive items on the website that you can get brand new. So ladies, if you love this mini pochette, I definitely say that it is a great buy, and it is rather affordable for Louis Vuitton. Just, you know, something to throw out there. And I did bring along some friends to do some size comparisons with. So this is the key clay here in monogram, the key pouch or key clay. And I just wanted to show you what it looked like next to the mini pochette. This is it here. So your key clay will fit inside of here if you wanted to, okay? But this is just a size comparison there. And then I do have my Neverfull pochette that comes inside of your Neverfull MM, and this is this size comparison to that pouch. So as you can see, this pouch is much bigger than the mini pochettes. I just wanted to show you guys so you could get a good size comparison. I just absolutely love this here. I cannot wait to style it, to wear it. Unfortunately, my phone does not fit inside of it. However, I think for a good cute little date night, you can put all of your other items inside of here, zip it up, and most of the time we have our phone in our hands anyway. So I'm really not concerned about that, but I cannot wait to style it, get some shots of her on my Instagram. I just absolutely love her. So again, this is my wish list bag, which is the mini pochette, and it is a 2020 mini pochette, and I absolutely love it. Okay, you guys already know how we do. I absolutely love it. Now, when I'm not using it, I probably will keep it stored in the dust bag, like I keep most of my bags stored in the dust bag for now. And the dust bag is very roomy and much larger than the mini pochette, of course. But I do want to get my beauty room set up here, and hopefully one day in my background you will see some of my bags displayed here. So I won't have to keep them in my dust bags down in my closet, but I don't know, I just have this crazy idea because my master bedroom is on the first floor. I just have this crazy idea that maybe the shower up here one day will start leaking and get all over my bag. So I'm very obsessed with keeping them in their desk bag. But all right, lovies, that is all for today's video of me unboxing my brand new addition to my Louis Vuitton collection, which was my wish list item, the very hard to get your hands on mini pochette accessoire. This is the 2020 model, and I'm so excited to have this in my collection. Let me know down below, what are some of your wish list items? What are some of your wish list SLGs? This is considered an SLG, which stands for small leather goods. So what are some of your wish list SLGs? Would you purchase the mini pochette? Do you think it will be functional? How would you use it if you have it in your collection? How are you currently using it? Let me know down below, ladies. Of course, as you can see on my other videos, I love to talk in the comment section. So just let me know what you're thinking down below. All right, lovies, as always, thank you so much for spending a piece of your day with me. I truly appreciate it. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel while you're here. All right, I have so much more content coming for you in the future, and a giveaway coming for you very soon. Like next week. But don't tell anybody that I told you, okay? Only you that made it to the end of this video will know. All right, lovies, come on in for your hug. And I hope that you guys have an amazing rest of your week, and we will see you in the next video. All right.